beach day in Malaga. We stumbled across a food fair. We might be slightly underdressed. Jordash is looking good though. So good.
Oh my goodness.
It is unreal.
This is so good.
Tapas. Holy. She informed me, catch the light glinting on my food.
My food is wrapped in gold.
So many baby beers. Oh yeah. There we go.
Instagram worthy life.
More tapas.
Carlos.
So good.
Bueno, están preparando. Jordi ya tenemos
Gold makes everything taste better.
rock stars.
How many times is this?
Round two? Round two? Tiny beers, tiny tapas. We just had prawn balls. It's good bang for our Euro buck.
And almond sauce.
How do we go about this one? Squid in its own ink, I think. Tastes like ink. We spent all of our 40 tokens on tapas.
And tiny beers.
We had 40 euros worth of tokens. They said that needs to be spent by the end of the week. We spent it in an hour. Got my ice cream. George got his ice cream.
Had a bag of candy.
Here we are at the beach. Sand's real hot. Crazy hot. So hot here. Elizabeth just made a deal for beach mojitos with this gentleman. It's very hot here on the beach. So we bought a towel or a blanket. We didn't buy it. Elizabeth bought it. She has delicate skin.
Please. These boys need it.
Jordash has the most delicate skin. Jordash is siestaing, and oddly enough, he didn't want to come on a Ferris ride with us.
It's the largest in Europe.
Bigger than the London Eye?
According to the ticket.
We are guaranteed 12 circuits. No, 3 circuits, 12 minutes. Only 10 euro a piece.
So cheap. I didn't pay.
That's where we're gonna go eat later tonight. How, you ask? I don't know. We'll find it. Hello, only other person on the Ferris wheel.
Malaga is my favorite city in Spain. I've decided.
Jordash and I are here cooling our jets till lovely Elizabeth arrives. She's making herself even prettier for our evening out. Everyone's looking pretty fancy. The rooftop bar is just for drinks. So we will find another place to eat our meal and then go eat there later.
When the boys order dinner, it's a plate of all meat.
Finished our meal, got our doggy bags, getting our nightcap. Complimentary water in the lobby. And we're here.
For the party. Share this guy.
Cheers to Malaga.
Malaga.